Deep beneath the peaceful surface of Geneva, hidden away from the world, lies a machine of unimaginable power, the Large Hadron Collider. It's the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, spanning an awe-inspiring 17 miles underground. This technological marvel has one purpose: to unlock the deepest secrets of the universe. But with its potential for groundbreaking discoveries comes a darker, more unsettling possibility. What if, in trying to understand the universe, we accidentally unleash forces far beyond our control? Could the pursuit of knowledge lead to our undoing? I'm Bob, and you're watching Space Theory, where the mysteries of the universe come alive. Let's imagine for a moment. In the depths of the LHC's tunnels, particles race at nearly the speed of light, smashing into each other with the force of the universe's own creation. These collisions mimic the Big Bang itself, allowing scientists to recreate the conditions that existed in the very first moments of time. The discoveries made here could change everything we know about existence, about reality itself. But with each experiment, we inch closer to unlocking forces we may not fully understand. The LHC isn't just a tool of discovery. It could be a ticking time bomb, revealing hidden dangers lurking within the fabric of the cosmos. One of the most unsettling risks? The potential to create a black hole. Yes, you heard that right, a black hole, right here on Earth. These are not wild fantasies pulled from science fiction, but real possibilities that scientists have discussed, albeit unlikely. The LHC operates at such extreme energy levels that it could, in theory, produce a microscopic black hole, region of space so dense that not even light can escape its gravitational pull. If such a black hole were to be created, what would happen? Could it grow, swallowing everything in its path until Earth itself is consumed? While experts reassure us that any black hole formed would be minuscule and evaporate in an instant, the very idea is chilling. Because, after all, we are venturing into uncharted territory. Could our quest for answers lead us to a point of no return? Let's break this down a little more. The Large Hadron Collider is like a giant cosmic blender. Inside its massive circular tunnel, beams of protons, tiny subatomic particles, are accelerated to nearly the speed of light and then smashed together with incredible force. The energy generated by these collisions is enormous, so extreme that it's only matched by the energy levels present at the birth of the universe. In 2012, this colossal machine gave us the discovery of the Higgs boson, the so-called God particle. It's like finding the missing piece of a puzzle that explains why everything in the universe has mass. But the LHC's potential doesn't stop there. It could help us uncover dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up most of the universe. Think of dark matter like a shadow that we can't see or touch, but that affects everything around us. We're playing with the very building blocks of the universe, probing deeper and deeper into the mysteries of reality. But what else might we find? Some scientists have raised another alarming possibility: vacuum decay. This is where the Higgs field, the invisible energy field that gives particles mass, could become destabilized. Imagine the universe as a vast ocean, and we're floating in a small boat. If the Higgs field were to change, it would be like puncturing the boat. A catastrophic chain reaction could unfold, and the universe, as we know it, could be torn apart, reduced to nothing but energy in an instant. It sounds like something from a sci-fi thriller, but the physics behind it is grounded in reality. Fortunately, this is a highly unlikely scenario, yet it serves as a reminder of just how much we're tampering with forces beyond our understanding. But what makes the Large Hadron Collider so thrilling and so terrifying is the unknown. Each experiment we conduct brings us one step closer to answers, but also closer to new questions. What else could we accidentally uncover? Could we stumble upon a new force of nature, a new particle, or even a dangerous phenomenon that could spiral out of control? There's a certain thrill in not knowing what lies ahead. The LHC is a frontier of human knowledge, where every discovery could rewrite the laws of physics, challenge our understanding of reality, or reveal a new danger we've never even imagined. It's like standing on the edge of a cliff, peering into the abyss of the unknown, not knowing whether we'll uncover something magnificent or something catastrophic. Even Stephen Hawking speculated that, at high enough energy levels, the universe could suddenly collapse in on itself in what's known as vacuum decay. In this scenario, a bubble of true vacuum could expand outward at the speed of light, wiping out everything in its path. This is just one of the many mind-bending, if remote, risks we're dealing with as we push the limits of particle physics. So, with every experiment, every particle collision, there's an electric sense of suspense. Could the next run of the collider bring about a new era of understanding, or trigger an event that we can't predict? Certainly. Here's an extended version that dives deeper into humanity's quest for knowledge and the deeper philosophical implications of our pursuit through the LHC. At the heart of all human progress lies one fundamental truth: our curiosity knows no bounds. From the moment we first gazed up at the stars, we've been consumed by a singular drive to understand the world around us. We are a species of explorers, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge, for answers to the questions that have haunted us since the dawn of time. Who are we? Where do we come from? What is the universe made of? And, perhaps most profoundly, why are we here? The Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is more than a tool for scientists. It is the embodiment of our collective quest for understanding. It stands as a testament to humanity's relentless pursuit of the unknown. Every collision, every data point, every new discovery brings us one step closer to uncovering the very fabric of reality itself. It's a place where the rules of the universe are being rewritten, where mysteries that have baffled us for millennia are starting to unravel. But the LHC is also a profound gamble, a scientific leap of faith. It's the culmination of centuries of intellectual daring, an instrument that pushes the boundaries of what we know, far beyond what we ever thought possible. We are probing the tiniest particles in existence, particles that make up everything we see, touch, and feel. We are recreating the conditions that existed moments after the Big Bang, the very birth of the universe. In doing so, we are daring to peer into the universe's deepest secrets, to uncover the mechanics that govern everything from the vast expanse of galaxies to the microscopic particles that form the building blocks of life itself. Yet, as we stand on the brink of discovery, we are also forced to confront the inherent risks of our pursuit. The LHC is pushing us into uncharted territory, where the laws of physics may begin to blur, where the nature of reality itself could be challenged. With every experiment, we dance on the edge of the unknown. But still, we press forward. Why? Because it's in our nature to seek answers, even when the path ahead is fraught with uncertainty. The LHC represents not just the pinnacle of scientific achievement, but the culmination of humanity's enduring curiosity. We are driven by the need to challenge the limits of what's possible, to go beyond the horizon of our understanding. This drive to explore is as old as humanity itself. From the earliest adventurers who sailed into the unknown seas, to the astronomers who first charted the stars, to the modern-day physicists at CERN, our story has always been one of curiosity and discovery. We venture into the unknown not because it is safe, but because it is there, because the mysteries of the universe beckon us forward. And with each new discovery, we are reminded of the beauty and complexity of the universe we inhabit. The LHC has already brought us closer to understanding fundamental particles like the Higgs boson, an achievement that reshaped our understanding of why matter exists in the way that it does. But this is just the beginning. Dark matter, dark energy, the mysteries of quantum mechanics, these are the frontiers that still lie ahead. We are on the verge of answers that could redefine the very essence of existence itself. But in seeking these answers, we must also recognize the deeper philosophical implications of our journey. What does it mean to truly know the universe? Can we ever hope to fully grasp the intricacies of a cosmos that is so vast and complex? Or is our quest for knowledge a never-ending journey, one that reveals as many new questions as it does answers? In many ways, the LHC is a reflection of humanity's boundless ambition and our willingness to embrace the unknown. It reminds us that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, a universe that is at once vast, beautiful, and mysterious. And though we may never fully understand every aspect of it, we are compelled to try. Because to seek knowledge, to push the limits of what we know, is to be human. It's what separates us from every other species on Earth. It's what drives us to build machines like the LHC, to explore the furthest reaches of space, to ponder the meaning of our existence. Our curiosity is the force that propels us forward, even in the face of uncertainty and potential danger. It's what makes us explorers, dreamers, and thinkers. So, we press on, despite the risks, despite the unknowns. The Large Hadron Collider is more than just a scientific instrument. It's a symbol of humanity's unyielding desire to understand the universe. It stands as a reminder that, no matter how much we learn, the mysteries of existence will always call us to venture further. For as long as we continue to ask questions, as long as we continue to push the boundaries of our understanding, there will always be new frontiers to explore. And as long as we keep striving for knowledge, we will continue to unlock the secrets of the universe, one discovery at a time. In the end, the journey may be as important as the destination, because it is through our quest for understanding that we find meaning, purpose, and a deeper connection to the cosmos itself. The Large Hadron Collider isn't just a machine. It's a gateway to the most profound mysteries of the universe. It has the potential to unlock the secrets of dark matter, the nature of space-time, and the very origins of reality. But it's also a Pandora's box, one that could unleash dangers we're only beginning to understand. With each new experiment, we step further into the unknown. And as we probe the very foundations of the universe, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for what we might find? Could our search for knowledge lead to a discovery that changes everything? Or, worse, a force we can't control? Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain. The Large Hadron Collider will continue to push the boundaries of human understanding, bringing us ever closer to the edge of discovery and perhaps the edge of the universe itself. Stay with us as we journey deeper into the unknown.